In this video, I'm building a solar heated pressurized camp shower. A list of all the parts and tools are in the description. I'd appreciate it if you use the links to help support the channel. Now let's get started. I cut the PVC pipe into one 5-foot piece and two 4-inch pieces. I'm going to pressurize my shower using an onboard air compressor, so I decided to use a tire valve stem to pressurize and depressurize the unit. I used waterproof silicone on the inside to make sure there were no leaks. I used a pipe fitting and JB weld to secure the valve to the inside of the cap. I ended up also having to use JB weld on the outside because it leaked when I put it under pressure. The fill point for the shower is a PVC ball valve. I use the same process to secure the valve to the end cap. PVC primer and cement is used to secure the pipe connections. The two 4-inch sections of pipe are used as a coupler to attach the fill end cap and the 45-degree elbow. The shower is now ready to be prepped and painted. Lightly sand the surface and clean it with alcohol. Spray paint the shower black so it will absorb more heat from the sun. You can also use wrinkle paint. Now that the shower is built, we have to have some way to transport it securely. I'm using pipe straps and T-bolts to secure it to my roof rack. The hose disconnect isn't necessary, but it's nice to have. Now it's time to test it out. Based on other videos I watched, 30 psi is sufficient, so that's what I used. The stream was nice and strong, but it didn't last very long. Got about 3 minutes out of it. You need an air source for the shower to work properly. Click the end screen now to see my ARB Twin Air Compressor install.